Welcome to the Digital Tourism Show, episode 269, and another 5-minute workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to ask you to look at your customer's purchase journey and determine if there are any gaps in your sales and marketing, meaning that you are possibly missing out on potential opportunities to sell or upsell to that customer. It will also make you think on the platforms and tools that your customer may use. In the PDF guide that you can download in the show notes, you will see an overview and a diagram of the customer's purchase journey. Now, these include the following stages. Dreaming moments. Now, this is when your potential customer is exploring destination options and trying to come up with ideas, but they have no firm plans. At this stage, people are looking for inspiration. So what tools and platforms do they use? What type of content inspires them? And what are they searching for? Then there's the planning moment stage, when your potential customer has chosen a destination. They're now looking for the right dates, the right flight, the right activities, the right place to stay, and all the things that they can do while they're there. Again, what tools and platforms do they use? Then they should move over to the booking moment stage, when your potential customer has completed their research and they are ready to book their tickets or reserve their rooms. Again, what tools and platforms do they use? Then, importantly, the experiencing moment stage, when your customer's trip is underway. Travellers are ready to live the trip that you've been dreaming about, and all through the pandemic really, and how to share it with others. How do they interact with your business, with locals, with people in your tour group, if there's all strangers? Then afterwards, there's the sharing moment stage, when your customer shares content and the experiences during and post-trip on social media, with friends, with work colleagues. Do they use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, other platforms? What are your customers' start and end points, and what do they do in between? In the PDF guide, you will see an example of a potential customer's journey, as well as more explanation. I would like you to try and map out your own customer's journey by using the diagram provided. Add in the potential touch points, where they currently interact with your business, and see if any gaps emerge. Are you missing a sales call follow-up? Are you inspiring them by creating content that really gets them excited at the dreaming stage? Are you falling down at once they're booked by not keeping in touch with them or even asking for reviews? Have a go and see what emerges, and feel free to split up each task for 5 minutes per day for the next 5 days. It may help you realise that you're missing one or more steps to interact with your customer, which can be all the difference from receiving a good review, having an upsell, or even the initial booking itself. Now, please do leave your comments on the relevant post on my Digital Tourism Show Facebook page. I would really like to know how you get on at this stage. Did it throw up anything that you felt, actually I was missing a particular step? I would love to know. Look forward to hearing from you.